Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to California, in Nicol Trail in Desert's Edge, California. Oh, this part's a little steep, but it's close to where we're staying, and it's pretty nice so far. Got some pretty sick views. Oh,
I'll just shave.
Admittingly, this part sucks a little. It's been uphill on the sand dune since, since way back there. Whew. Also, it's a pretty nice day. Got the drone on my back. We're gonna send it up and hopefully bring you some cool footage from that. Right?
Yep.
All right. My God. I ran into a bush trying to get the shot. Hurt a little. Totally worth it. So the wash part is way cooler than the actual hike itself.
And way easier.
I would strongly recommend just following the canyons. It's pretty cool. And that's going to do it for today's hike. As usual, we thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Cheryl's bloggity blog. Look us up on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. LittleTrailerBigAdventures.com. We out. Bye.
Bye.